After you've downloaded the Ariba demo package, there are a few firmware images that you must compile on your host machine to not only generate the firmwares for running them, but the intermediate object files and ELF symbols, etc. that have paths to your local machine so that you can use Ariba to perform source level debugging on them. The first thing that we need to do is to set up the compile environment. Go to the top of the directory and type source env/mips/goldfish.bashrc to set up the paths and the environment variables. Since we want to debug the Linux kernel, it must be compiled with debug information. To do that, we go to the Linux kernel directory and run make menu config. Go to the bottom of the menu config into kernel hacking submenu. In here, somewhere in the middle of the menu, has an entry called compile the kernel with debug info. Make sure it is checked. In the demo package, we've prepared the makefile targets. Simply go to the top directory and build the Linux kernel by typing make build kernel. This takes a couple of minutes to finish the build. The second component that we want to build is the Android Gingerbread firmware. Again, in the demo package that we distribute, the makefiles have been set up and you need to simply type make build-gingerbread at the top of the directory. Android is very complex and has lots of components that need to be built. It would take from around 20 minutes to possibly more than an hour to finish the build, depending on the speed of your host machine. Viasoft has also put together a set of examples. To compile them, please type build-demo. That's it, you're ready to use the built images with Ariba. Lastly, there are also corresponding make targets such as clean kernel, clean gingerbread, and clean demo to remove the builds.